Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, looking to get even more precise heart rate data from your Garmin watch? Connecting an external heart rate monitor is a fantastic way to do it. It provides deeper insights for your training and overall fitness. We're here to walk you through the simple setup process, step by step, so you can easily optimize your workouts starting today. Before we dive into the pairing, let's quickly get your devices ready. Always check that your heart rate monitor has a fresh battery. It's a common oversight. Then, make sure you're wearing it properly or that it's activated depending on your model. And of course, ensure your Garmin watch is fully charged and powered on, ready for action. All right, with your heart rate monitor ready, let's turn our attention to your Garmin watch. First, access the main menu on your watch. Then, scroll through the options until you find Sensors and Accessories, which is where we'll manage all your external devices. Go ahead and select this setting to move forward. Now, inside the Sensors and Accessories menu, you'll want to select Add New to begin the discovery process. Your Garmin watch will start scanning for any available heart rate monitors in the vicinity, so make sure yours is active. Once it appears in the list, simply select your heart rate monitor's name and the watch will establish the connection. Once connected, your watch will usually show a confirmation message or a small heart rate icon might appear. To verify everything, simply check your watch face or start an activity. You should see your live heart rate displayed. For the most consistent data, always keep your heart rate monitor within a reasonable range of your watch during activities. You're now all set to enjoy truly enhanced accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.